which universities will you recommend? All right, before we start, consider subscribing to the channel. This helps me so much. Thank you. So you started applying to US schools or just
I
Ohio
sta-
University?
I only apply to Ohio.
But why are you like that? It's like for you.
No, the reason was before I started application, like I start writing the statement, or I started writing, or open, like creating account for school. I'm 100% sure, or 95% sure that uh,
You get an
I'll
offer.
I'll get an offer. Yeah,
Ah, okay.
yeah. So
Yeah,
I
the
like
sharks. That's how they are. Those
no,
sharks.
not you are the shark now.
Those
So
sharks. That's how they are.
I normally read a lot.
That makes
Most
sense.
students, when we ask them to start application, or we advise them to start applying to school outside, they want you, like they will get in touch with you, but they want you to do 95% of the work,
Yeah.
which is
It doesn't work like that.
it
Yeah.
doesn't work that way.
It
You
doesn't
have
work
to
like
do
that.
your research,
Exactly.
the school
Yeah.
that you are going to, the
Mm,
courses under the program, the lectures that will be teaching that course, their research area, the objective of the department, the labs that they have at that department, the
mm,
recent grants that they have at that department. Those information will actually help you to draft your AC and
mm.
fit into a lab, or
Yeah.
uh, a funding opportunity that is the teaching opportunity that is in that
Mm,
department. So I
yeah.
remember Ohio, they were actually looking for, I saw somewhere they were actually looking for teaching assistant for GIS.
Mm,
So I was like, this is going to be
yeah.
an easy one. So
Yeah. Wow. Which means that for you, the study abroad process, you spent only $55, right?
yes, for application.
Hey, bruh. You said $55 and
Yeah.
you were getting scholarships like that. Hey, Charlie. Yeah. In your opinion, why do you think students struggle to get good funding to come to the US?
So it will be based on, for me, it will be based on your research
Mm,
that you've made, the energy that you put in searching for school, where the funding is, who they should contact and stuff. Maybe you have a weak statement of purpose, CV.
mm,
You have there's lack in terms of research or teaching experience and stuff. Sometimes this also contributes to
mm.
student not getting full funding on. Yeah.
Yeah, if I ask you to recommend five universities in the US for me, which universities will you recommend? I mean, you apply to just one, so sometimes
Yeah,
it's like
I applied to one, but I know
a lot of schools.
some schools
Yeah,
that
yeah,
my friends call me
yeah.
to, and yeah. So
Which schools will you?
I will recommend Ohio University first. Right
Yeah,
now, it is highly competitive though, but
yeah,
uh, you have a higher chance of
yeah. Good funding. Yeah, and
getting a
also when you get there, like people will help you. You can get some help. A lot of Ghanaians. Like,
yes.
yeah.
So Ohio University, you have Ohio State, you have Toledo University,
Mm.
Youngstown State University.
Toledo, they don't give good funding, or do they give good funding like that?
Yeah, for
So,
geography,
geography,
they
okay,
for geography they have a good
okay.
funding. Like I'll say, the acceptance rate is
It's
quite
high.
high. Yes,
Okay.
and
Youngstown, and then what
Youngstown,
else?
yeah, Youngstown or Texas State University.
Texas State, okay.
Yeah. So what I always advise is you look at universities that give funding to international students.
Mm,
So, like when we are doing your research, you look at universities that give funding to international students,
mm,
or department that give funding to international students. So these are the schools that will be targeting. They have the track records already. They have
yeah,
the data that is showing that
yeah,
every year they get at least for, Ohio University mathematics department, every year at least they
yeah,
have like five, six teaching assistant coming
Yeah.
from Ghana and stuff. So
Yeah.
if you are good in mathematics and
Yeah.
uh, you're also competitive enough, you
Yeah.
should be able to apply to. And I think our
Yeah.
university, every department, every year, every department will get a Ghanaian
Yeah. Yeah.
coming into here.
Yeah. I think Ghanaians who go there, they do well. And so it's like it makes it easy for them to consider
Yes,
Ghanaians,
yes,
because they're familiar with the performance of Ghanaians and
Ghanaians, yes.
the contributions, and yeah, so that helps a lot. Yeah. The only thing is that yours doesn't have a lot of the challenges that many people go through, because yours was, very smooth. Like it
Smooth,
was
yeah.
really smooth. Yeah. So that's really good. But I mean, at the same time, I mean, it appears smooth, but you actually did a lot of work, because
Work like
writing
yes,
five essays, like man, that's not easy,
and
right?
the actual work will be like researching for the school,
Yeah.
knowing what they are doing,
Yeah.
the professors that are that department, the
Yeah.
program that they were doing,
Yeah.
the
Those.
objective. Yeah,
Yeah.
so that's where I did most of my work
Yeah.
before starting. Yeah.
Yeah. That's really good, because most of the time, like the planning is hard. A good planning should take like 80% of the way, because once you plan well, execution shouldn't
Yeah,
take long.
exactly.
Yeah, but some people, they don't plan well, and then they want to spend 80% on the execution, but because the planning is poor, they struggle. And but you've done well. Like you were very
Exactly.
strategic. Wow. Yeah. So now I want to ask you, for your opinion. I want to ask your opinion on certain things, right? You being an international student who has spent 5 years in the US already. So, but that's right now. You've not been here. In my mind, it's like you've not been here that long, but you've been here that long too. Like, yeah, 5 years. Wow. That's actually such a long time. Okay. So, what is your opinion on student taking loans to come to the US? If I go for a loan of $50,000 to come to the US, do you think it's not that bad? Like, what do you think? Do you think it's okay? Especially you are working now, they are paying you. So if you are taking a loan, will you have regretted it?
So it will depend on so many factors.
Mm,
So you have to look at the investment on return
mm,
after you've taken a loan, on the debt that will be you'll be taking in as well. So the reason I said this was sometimes you look at the program that you're also going into,
yeah.
the job prospects.
Mm,
Are you are you are you going to be qualified for H1B extension,
yeah.
STEM OPT and stuff? So if you have that longer chance of getting into the job market, staying there for a long time, it's okay for you to. I would say it is okay,
Take
but
the loan.
that should be the
Okay.
last option.
Mm,
That should be the last option if you explore other external
mm,
scholarship opportunities, maybe departmental fundings, and really get it. That
yeah.
taking loans should be your
The last
last.
resort.
Yeah, exactly. But if your program is not a STEM, it's going to be 1 year, and I don't think
Mm,
it's advisable for you to go for for that huge sum of
yeah.
loan. But if, like for instance, if you have partial funding, maybe
Yeah.
you can go for
Some
the other
loans to support.
some loan to
Mm,
just to